my hood right quick. Y'all ready?
Welcome to my hood, home of the dope boys, home of the dope boys, home of the dope boys. Welcome to my hood, home of the dope, home of the dope, home of the dope boys. Welcome to my hood, home of the dope boys, home of the dope boys, home of the dope boys. Welcome to my hood, home of the dope, home of the dope, home of the dope boys.
I'm from the city where the sun gon' shine. Lot of dead, a little hated, where them goons gon' ride. What up? They stay strapped, smoking on a big sack in the lag seat, back bass bumping like crack. I'm Sean Kingston, you know on a problem, man. Where's where the shot outs, where they guns them my bus, man. Yeah, I'm 16 and I saw a lot of things, and I roam with killers with 4-5s and laser beams. I'm not what you seen. The hood taught me well, all I know is money, cars, hoes, and some drug sales. Man, I bought man, not a right man. Disrespect, gunshot, I beat like I jump on. I ain't new to this, nah. Is you kidding, trick? 3 or 5 represent to catch me on 56. I ain't new to this, nah. Is you kidding, trick? 3 or 5 represent to catch me on 56.
Welcome to my hood, home of the dope boys, home of the dope boys, home of the dope boys. Welcome to my hood, home of the dope, home of the dope, home of the dope boys. Welcome to my hood, home of the dope boys, home of the dope boys, home of the dope boys. Welcome to my hood, home of the dope, home of the dope, home of the dope boys.
My name ring in the streets like church bells. Ask the young boys on the block making turf sales. A real dope nigga, holla at your boy, baby. We play with semi-automatics like toys, baby. Burning gloves on, beanie cap real low. 50 G's in my mouth so my grill glow. You better chill for I let the damn steel blow. Put bullets straight through you pussies like dildos. My name your boy and I'm reppin' for them Bay niggas. All day, slang yay, hit them with the K niggas. Still thuggin' with 1,000 LA niggas. Pop your damn top and go along with they day niggas. I'm with Sean King and rap like Don King. I'm the old Mike Tyson of this rap rhyme thing. Trying to get money like a black Jimmy Iovine. In the hip hop and leave it looking like a crime scene.
Welcome to my hood, home of the dope boys, home of the dope boys, home of the dope boys. Welcome to my hood,